Don't blame the charger. Your Samsung A series might have a damaged FPC connector stopping the power flow. Symptoms of FPC connector damage: phone doesn't charge even with a working cable and charger, intermittent charging or no response when plugged in, charging stops at a certain percentage or no charge. Why it happens. FPC connectors are fragile and prone to damage from physical impact, bending the phone, or rough disconnection or reconnection of cables, which can wear down or loosen the pins. Diagnosis process: rule out charger, cable, and port issues first. Cleaning and testing them helps. Connect the charger and test voltage at the FPC pins 5V. Expected. If voltage is correct and battery still doesn't charge, suspect the FPC connector, motherboard, or flex cable. Gently warm and remove the back cover. Remove middle frame, SIM tray, disconnect battery. Measure voltage under the connector. If fine, focus on motherboard FPC. Remove protective tape and resolder the FPC connector with iron, flux, and tin. After replacing the FEC connector, assemble the device and test.